Hello everybody. I created this presentation to help you navigate through ReadyHub, Canvas, and Seesaw. So I hope that this helps a little bit. I'm gonna walk you step by step. Okay, if we go to the next page, this is the link to the ReadyHub. You log in with the credentials that I sent you on Class Dojo. So let's go ahead and click the link. Go to where it says Open ReadyHub. Again, you're going to log in with the credentials I sent you. Log in. Just ignore all of this right now. Let's scroll to the bottom. And you will see Canvas and Seesaw. All right. So let's go ahead and start with Canvas. Let's leave student view. Okay. I'm going to click on my home page. I'm going to go to student view for you so you can see what it should look like. All right, this is our home page. You can see that I have it divided by days of the week. On the bottom, it has our links and resources, Google Meet, Seesaw, contact information, other resources, and our schedule. I have not embedded all of our information there yet. So if you're trying to click on it and you don't, it doesn't take you to anything, don't worry about it, because again, I have to put all of that in there for you guys. So let's just go ahead and click on Monday. There's nothing there yet. It says to return home, but again, don't worry about it. We're just trying to become familiar with it, trying to navigate through it. And eventually that is where you will find all of our assignments for that week. Okay, let's go back home. If you click on the Google Meets, it'll take you directly to our live session. So that way you don't have to go to Google Meets, enter the code, or copy and paste the link, or whatever it may be. If you're logged into Canvas and you see, you can just click it directly right here. All right. Okay. If you click on the modules too, you'll see that eventually I'm going to have it divided by each week, as I said before. So Monday through Friday is week 1, and then I'll have week 2, and then so forth as we continue with our virtual learning. Okay, let's go back home. So this is our home page. Pretty simple. I try to make it as simple as I can. Pretty easy to navigate through. Again, we as teachers, we're still trying to figure it out and learn through it as well. So, all right, let's go ahead and go back to our ReadyHub. That was Canvas, okay? That's Canvas. So let's move on. Let's go to Seesaw. Let me exit out of this. So click on Seesaw. When you click on Seesaw, it should go ahead and just log you in. You shouldn't have to put any logins. If it does for whatever reason, just let me know, and hopefully we'll figure that out. But it shouldn't make you log in if you're already logged into ReadyHub. All right. So I am in teacher view right now. I don't think that it lets me look at student view. So if it looks a little bit different, don't worry, because this is, again, just from the teacher view. So let's click on activities, and this is where some of our assignments will be as well. For the first couple of days, I think using Seesaw is going to work best for our students as we learn Canvas, become familiar with it, just because Seesaw is a little bit more user-friendly for the little ones, and actually for parents as well. So yes, this is where our other activities will be. And eventually, should we need to use Seesaw in the future as we continue our virtual learning, I will always put that in our Canvas, and I'll make sure that I put the link in it as well. So that way you're not having to just go back and forth and figure out, okay, is something due on Canvas or is something due on Seesaw? Okay, so I'll make sure that I always either let you guys know or I'll put it on Canvas so that you know to go to Seesaw to turn in whatever it is that we're doing. So there's nothing on Canvas yet. There's nothing on Seesaw yet. However, For the first day, we will have at least one assignment. I promise I'm going to keep it simple. You know, we're going to take baby steps through this, y'all, and navigate through this, and baby steps at a time. All right. So this is our Ready Hub. This will take you to all of our resources that we are going to use throughout the year. Again, don't worry about all of it though right now. We're just going to focus on Canvas and Seesaw. I don't want to get overwhelmed or overwhelm y'all, and we're gonna keep it simple. All right, so that's our Canvas, that's our Seesaw. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to contact me, and I'll help the best way that I can.